Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to copy the same width and height in Excel. Okay, first I will select the table or cells, go to home tab, format, click auto fit or default width. I select auto fit. Okay, now see this automatically auto fit and simply copy this. Control C for copy. You paste another sheet or this sheet. Example, I copy another sheet. Now Control B or paste. Now see this automatically fit these cells and same width and height. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.